Hi, I am Laura,
And I am John.
and today we're going to talk about the history of chocolate. The first recorded evidence of chocolate as a food product goes back to pre-Columbian Mexico. The Mayans and Aztecs were known to make a drink called chocolate from the beans of the cocoa tree. In 1528, the conquering Spaniards returned to Spain with chocolate still consumed as a beverage. A similar chocolate drink was brought to a royal wedding in France in 1615, and England welcomed chocolate in 1662. To this point, chocolate as we spill it today had been spilled variously as chocolate, yacolate, yocolate, and chocolate.
In 1874, Fry and Sons introduced to England the first eaten chocolate, but it did not prove too much due to its bitter taste. But in 1874, Daniel Peter, famed Swiss chocolater, began to experiment with various mixtures in an effort to balance the chocolate roll flavor. And eventually, he stumbled upon an important product. That key product was the milk. This event changed the world. After that moment, the chocolate assistants grow up quickly and enthusiastic.
Cocoa beans are usually grown on small plantations in suitable land areas 20 degrees north or south of the equator. One mature cocoa tree can be expected to yield about 5 pounds of chocolate per year. These are planted in the shade of larger trees, such as bananas or mangoes, about 1,000 trees per hectare.
Cocoa trees take 5 to 8 years to mature. After the harvesting of the trees, the pods which contain the cocoa beans are split open, the beans removed and put on trays and covered by a burlap until they brown. Then they are sun-dried until the moisture that it contains is below than 7%. It normally takes another 3 days.
After cleaning, the beans are weighed, selected, and blended before roasting at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Then, shells are removed, leaving the nibs are crushed to create a chocolate mass. This is the base raw material from which all chocolate products are made.
It contains for outlets 10% chocolate liquor, chocolate pressed from caramel nuts, 12% milk solids combined with sugar, cocoa butter, or fat from nibs and vanilla. Sweet chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate are made from 15 to 35% chocolate liquor plus sugar, cocoa butter, and vanilla. The imprecisions in the two terms cause that they commonly be called plain chocolate and dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has a large following for the desserts makers, and for that reason is referred as baking chocolate.
Bittersweet also contains 50% chocolate liquor and has a distinct bite to the taste. Bitter or unsweetened chocolate liquor also is used in baking and is also referred to as baker's chocolate.
Bite sides and chocolate covers. They are filled with caramels, nuts, creams, jellies, and so forth.
It's not really chocolate as it contains no chocolate liquor. Caramel, this is a brown powder made from the pulverized fruit of a Mediterranean evergreen. It is used by some as a substitute for chocolate because it can be combined with vegetable fat and sugar and made to approximately the color and consistency of chocolate.
Chocolate pouring. There are three basic methods to coating chocolate onto something, such as caramel or a nut. This is all for today.
Thanks for your attention. Bye.
Bye.